Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Cindy, and in today's episode I'm going to be doing a demonstration on, wait for it, Crayola markers. Yes, I found these in Staples about a month and a half ago, and they were $2.99. I couldn't resist. So come with me as I do a demonstration playing around with Crayola markers. Hi everybody. So for today's birthday card exercises, one of two which I'm going to do, the ingredients for that are this cardstock that I bought in Amazon, is 60 pieces, 5x7s. I happen to have some construction paper, it's black, so I cut it down to 5x7 in card form. So what I'm going to do is do a add sticky back, like double-sided tape, and just put it on just like that and send it off its merry way. So this is the cardstock. I told you earlier I'm using the Crayola markers, which was from Staples for $2.99. I'm still in chocolate with that one. That's awesome. I had to grab that. And this ZipLock bag along with a spray bottle. So that's what we're using for this exercise. So let me, and the three colors I chose for this is red, violet, and blue. The reason why I chose that is because in the color wheel, these colors are right next to each other. Hope you can see this. I know, I'm gonna order the big size. This is from a keychain from Temu, I think. Temu. I'm addicted to that store. So the colors are next to each other, so that's the reason why I chose these colors. If that makes any sense. Not, I'm sorry. So they should work well together is what I'm trying to say. So here we go. Do this brief exercise. Just use that. You can use a point too. I should have used a point actually. And I actually saw this exercise in a video, a tutorial. And the person recommends that children could play with this, but I think maybe children that are the age of like 8 to 9 or something, because if you give this to a 5-year-old, forget it. Not only will the card be worked on, but the furniture and the walls as well. So I would not recommend that. So now after I've done that, just squirt, 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 like that. And then we turn it over and smudge, get as much out as we can. This is a fun, quick exercise. I enjoy doing this. I did some of it yesterday. Sorry, excuse my arm. I'm a lefty. But if you need additional, want to squirt it some more, you just spray some more. What's that little thingy there? Okay. Continue to spread, spread, spread. Forms a nice little tie-dye type texture, which is very cool. Very nice. I like it. So that's about it. Lift up. It's really nice. Move that aside. Sorry for the hand. Just, that's what the towel's for. You just lift this out, set this aside to dry, and look, just set this aside to dry, and look what happened. This is what I did yesterday, and the magic of video. So I started to do the happy birthday. My handwriting is really, really bad. That's 2 reallys in one sentence, so you know it's severe. So what I did was I just did this, downloaded this, happy birthday. But instead of saying happy birthday to you, I'll just say happy birthday. And I just did tracing. And from the tracing, I did this, I traced it from this graphite paper that I managed to order, again from Amazon. And I traced it over. And I used the black marker. So I'm going to finish this off. So I didn't want to bore you with the whole showing you this. So I'm finishing off the word birthday, and so I will have my first card. First card will be done. I have to show you, I tried to do it freehand yesterday. I have to show it to you because it's kind of comical. My handwriting, even when I have the reference, it was still not great. So let me do the T. Yay. So here you have it. So this was my attempt yesterday. You see, I used gold paint, and yes, it's a difference. There's a difference there, I would say. Yeah, this is much better. So that's the end of that first exercise. Excuse the arm. So the next exercise I discovered was you could do flowers, which I had no idea. I was just playing around yesterday. And you could do florals and things like this. I did this yesterday, and I did this little creation. All these were all done in Crayola markers. Isn't that amazing? I thought they were wonderful. And this card would be great for missing you, or get well soon, things like that. I'll work on that for a little bit. But let me give you a slight demonstration on how I did that. So I like pink and orange and violet. So I could leave that, put that there, put that aside, put that red. So what I have done was, let's see, we just want to do a little composition. Like these little florals, we could do this. Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. So I just do a little circle here. Let me see, I'll put a little circle there. Maybe another, like a little triangle thing here happening here. Another circle there. Another circle here. And possibly another circle there. Maybe a little one over here on the side. So I'm just going to start it because I don't want to bore you with doing the whole thing. I'll show you at the end what it looks like when I'm done. So you need the markers, you need another piece of card, this piece of 5x7, 140 GSMs, 300 pound, 140 pound, 300 GSMs, paper and water and brush. And I think this is a number 4. So what I did was, I first started, let's see, I just do like little lines around it. I did circles, as you saw, just like I have a middle point so the flowers won't come out wonky. And what I've done was, all I did was just do that. That's all I did. You can put as many petals as you want. Got some more water here. Now this does look a little light, so I love it. If you want more pizzazz, then, which I think I do want, I didn't want to create so many petals. Sometimes you do go a little crazy. Okay, so what you do is you take this. This happens to be, it wasn't red, was it red? Anyway, do this to give it definition. And you could add as much as you want. You could continue layering. just continue with the little lines here. Sometimes it's good to just explore and see what other things you could do with these markers. The colors come out really nice. I was really surprised. So this I could see you could do with your kids. I can see that. It's a cute little exercise. And as added definition, if you want, you can just keep adding this. Okay, so I won't bore you by doing the other remaining 4. What I will do is take the one that I did yesterday, and it needs definition. It looks a little flat. I was playing around with it last night, and I'm like, So this is how I'm going to do that. This is another happy birthday card. This will fit perfectly. And you can make it large, you can make it smaller. See? Look how fun that is. It's a lot of fun. And the colors are vibrant, I have to admit. This one was a yellow. That was a little bit of a disappointment. I didn't expect that to be so pale, which I should have, but never know. I'll lighten that up too. I'll brighten that up. But you could continue layering it if you want to add more petals, more definition. You see? So. Let me take, oh, sorry, excuse me. Excuse the arm. Still getting used to this. This is new to me. I should have. Okay. All right. Just realized I had a little bit of the orange. Forgot to rinse my brush. But you get the idea. And these are just from the Crayola markers that I got for $2.99 at Staples, of all places in the world. I was expecting something like that at the dollar store or something, not Staples. That's why I grabbed it. So I'm like, maybe it was a mistake. Maybe this price wasn't meant to be. So, okay, so you know what? Let's try the yellow again. Let's see what happens. I try and make my videos short because I know time is very, very valuable. And to be honest, if I see a video that's over 20 minutes long, I really have to think twice about, do I really want to watch this? Or should I just move on? So I try to go as fast as I can, and I'm still relatively new at this, so bear with me. I'll add orange like I did yesterday. Yeah, this will work pretty well. Orange and yellow work well. So should look at the color wheel again. Yeah, it looks well. Let me just for the heck of it break out the color wheel. Yes, orange and yellow, as obvious that you do see here. Yeah, I know it's hard to move this thing. Yep, it works pretty well. Very good. Yay. Very happy. Okay, so the next thing, oh yeah, we should do this. Yeah, I did that. Needs more, I think. So I just did it, but I think it needs some more. All right. But you get the idea. I just want to see if my tracing will fit the, it does. Yay! How fabulous. That's great. Love it. Okay. Very good. The next thing I'll do is the green for the stems. They look a little washed out. Okay. And this should be it. This would be a nice little card to give to somebody. I have to admit, I went to CVS thinking, oh, I'll just pick up, so I have like 5 birthday cards I have to give between now and late July. Oh, these stems are thick. And beginning of October. And I'm like, wow, okay, I'll just start picking up a couple of cards until I found out the prices. I'm like, wow. $4.99? $5.99? Oh, Jesus, I'll do it myself. Since I found out that I have this like talent for watercolor, which is just surprised me as it surprised everybody else. Okay, so we're done. I think we're done with this card. So I hope you enjoyed both these exercises, and comment on the comment section. And I hope you have a pleasant day. Bye, everybody.